ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. Now we have to see the 54th chapter, Abhyasa 54, Vyakarana. Shabdas we finished. Apatyarthaka tadhita pratyaya an. So these are also tadhita pratyas. But it is in the sense of apatya artha. Meaning of apatya. Apatya means son. Apatya means putra or son. If we want to say son of Dasharatha, so we can use an pratyaya. Dasharathasya putraha Dasharathihi. Okay, there it is not an pratyaya. Vishnu ka putra Vaishnavaha. We'll read first. Tasya apatyam. This is the sutra. Tasya apatyam. Apatya putra. Apatya means either son or daughter. Both meanings can be there. In the sense of apatya artha, meaning of the putra or putri, anpratyaya will come. Anpratyaya will remain as a. Whatever is the shabda, in that shabda, prathama swara will get vriddhi. Will take here only Vasudevasya putraha. This example will take and we'll see the how it is. Vasudevasya putraha Vasudevaha. This at the end, Anpratyaya has come. That's why Vasudeva. Akara is there. Again, Supratyaya. Vasudevaha. This Dirgha, how this Dirgha has come? Vasudeva. In this Vasudevasya, this is the Shabda. In this Shabda, what is the first Swara? Swara means vowel. What is the first vowel? Not from the from here. We have to see from here. Sa, o, da, e, va, a. sa, ya. Okay, Vasudeva. We'll take only Vasudeva Shabda. Va, a, sa, u, the, e, va, a. In this, at the end also, akara is there. Beginning also, akara is there. Which akara we should take? Whether this one or this one. Okay, here it is said Prathama Swara. Prathama Swara means this one. Prathama Swara will get Vruddhi. If Akara gets Vruddhi, what happens?
Dirgha.
Ikara?
Ikara.
Ikara Vruddhi? It's not Guna, Vruddhi. Ru becomes R. If it is Akara, it becomes Akara. E, I. U or U becomes Au.
O becomes Onam.
I, Au. एतेषां त्रयाणां वृद्धिः इति संज्ञा भवति.
Okay.
It becomes vruddhi means I, au. There's no other thing. I will tell you what is given there, who becomes O. That is different meaning. This is the Sutra Vruddhiradaich. This, how it is not there R in that Sutra, but in some other Sutra it has explained the Ru becomes R. So here, first letter is Akara. If it is Akara, then Vruddhi happens. That means it becomes Akara Vasudevaha. Vasudevasya putraha Vasudevaha. This is Anpratyahara and Apatya Artha. Here Putraha or Apatyaha. Apatyam. Vasudevasya Apatyam Vasudevaha. Any word can be, we can take Putraha or Apatyam. Sarva Prathama Swara ko, sorry. It is not Sarva. Prathama Swara. Only Prathama Swara. There is no need of Sarva. It is given, na? A becomes A, E or E becomes I, U becomes Au, Ru becomes R. Antima U will get Okara. Antima U will get Okara. They have given the example. Vishnu is at the end ukara is there. This ukara will get okara. We'll see that one. Vasudevaka putra Vasudevaha. Pandu. Pandu is also at the end ukara is there. This we'll see for it. Pandu. Pandoho apatyam. Apatyam Pandavaha. Because plural. Pandoho apatyam Pandavaha. How this pa here first swara is dirgha. So it is already dirgha, so we don't need to change anything. Dirgha becomes dirgha only. So Pandu becomes Pandu. Here ukara will change into okara. Okara. Then an pratyaya is there. Plus okara plus akara. What happens? Which sandhi?
Oh.
Uh,
Oh. Or
which sandhi?
Echoyavaya.
Pandavaha. Prathama ekavachanam I have taken, but if we take bahuvachanam Pandavaha. Pandoho apatyam Pandavaha or Pandavaha. Is it clear?
Yes.
Kuroho apatyam Kauravaha. See, at the end, va has come. For Vasudeva, Vasudevaha, Vasudevasya putraha, Vasudevaha. Ending, there is no change. But when it is Kuru and Pandu, at the end, Echoyavaya Sandhi has come and Kauravaha. Kuroho apatyam Kauravaha. Parthaha. Parthaha. What is the Vigraha Vakyam? Okay, first try this one. Raghu ka putra Raghavaha. Raghavaha. What is the Vigraha Vakyam? They have given in Hindi. It is good. We can practice Sanskrit. What happened?
Rabba Same thing, that Tejo Yavayava will come at the end.
No, what is the Vigraha Vakya? Like I said, Kuroho apatyam Kauravaha, Pandoho apatyam Pandavaha, Vasudevasya putraha Vasudevaha.
Raghoho apatyam Raghavaha.
Raghavaha. Yes. Next. Parthaha.
पृथोः अपत्यं
What is the linga there? Prutha. It is not Pullinga. Dirgha Akaranta. Strilinga. What is the Shashti of Rama?
रमायाः
What is the Shashti of Prutha?
सुपृथायाः अपत्यं पार्थः.
Yes. Putraka Putra. Pautraha. It's very simple.
पुत्रस्य पुत्रः पौत्रः.
Shivaka Putra Shaivaha. Somebody else?
शिवस्य पुत्रः शैवः.
Vishnuka Putraha. Vishnuka Putra Vaishnavaha.
Vishnoho apatyam Vaishnavaha. No.
Vishnoho apatyam Vaishnavaha. So this Rupa will go like Rama. In Strilinga, like Nadi only.
That Vishnu, why we can buy?
That's what I have explained here, na?
E and
Adi Swara will become Vriddhi. E or E becomes I. Ata E. This is also same artha, apatya artha. But at the end, E will come. In this sutra, at the end, akara will come. Anpratyaya remains as akara. This is E pratyaya. It will remain as E only. It comes in akaranta shabdas. So that is not mandatory. It should be only E pratyaya should come, not anpratyaya. That is not there. They can use anpratyaya, they can use E pratyaya, both. Prathama swara will get vriddhi, is the same point. That is also here Dasharathasya putraha Dasharathihi. This is akaranta. At the end, akara is there, and this adi swara, beginning of the first vowel, will get vriddhi. The becomes da. At the end, Dasharatha plus e pratyaya Dasharathihi. Dasharathi. Who is Dasharathi? Rama. Next. Dasharathasya putraha Dasharathihi. Next one, Dakshihi. What is the Vigraha Vakya?
दक्षस्य अपत्यं दाक्षिः.
Yes. Saumitrihi. Who is Dakshi? Who is Dakshi?
Parvati.
Next, Saumitrihi. They have given easy one. Rama we know, Lakshmana we know. The Parvati ji, that is difficult to get the meaning. Saumitrihi.
Would Dakshihi be Sati ji?
Yeah, Sati and Parvati Devi, both are same.
Yes.
Na?
Right.
Yeah. In one yuga it is Sati and another yuga is Parvati Devi.
Saumitra apatya Saumitrihi.
What is the first word?
Sumitra is the name. The Su will become Sau.
In Vigraha Vakya, how Su becomes Sau?
Okay.
Apatyam.
I cannot hear.
Yaha.
Sumitrayaha Apatyam. Saumitrihi. Who is Saumitrihi? Who is Saumitri? Lakshmana. Next, Draunihi.
Dronasya apatyam Draunihi. Ashwatthama. So one question there.
Yes.
In this, like Dasharathasya putra can be Dasharatha or Dasharathihi, right? Depending on which.
If we use Anpratyaya, then it can be Dasharatha. If we use I Pratyaya, then Dasharathihi.
Okay.
Sorry to ask once again. So why it didn't become Sau? Because U and U, that is O. No?
Where?
I got it. Sumitra.
Sumitra becomes Sau, right?
Yeah. The Su is there, no U is there. That's why it will doesn't become how in Vigraha Vakya.
In Vigraha Vakya, the original Shabda will be as it is and we will add Shashti Vibhakti. Dasharathasya Apatyam, when we say, it is not changing into the, will not change into the in Vigraha Vakya. Dasharathasya Apatyam Dasharatihi. Sumitrayaha Apatyam Saumitrihi.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Clear. Then
next, Ditya, this sutra is different. Ditya Patyuttara Padanyaha. This is Nya Pratyaya. Diti, Aditi, Aditya. All these Shabdas will get Nya Pratyaya. When it is followed by Pati Shabda. Diti plus Pati. If it is there, then it will get Nya Pratyaya. Aditi plus Pati. If it is there, Nya, it will get Nya. Aditya, if it is there, and plus Pati, if it is there, it will get Nya as the Pratyaya. They have given Prag Divyatiya Artheshu but I don't understand what is the Pragdivyatiya. Actually, it is connected with many sutras, this Shabda, but I don't know. We'll understand up to this. Diti, Aditi, Aditya, all these Shabdas will get Nya Pratyaya when it is followed by Pati Shabda. Here also, first letter will get Vriddhi. Rupa will be like Rama. This Diti ke Putra, Daityaha. See, we'll write here the form. Ditehe Putraha Daityaha. If we take Ditehe Putraha Daityaha. Diti is there plus oh sorry, not after the after Pati Shabda. It is just along with all these Shabdas, Pati Shabda also will get Nya Pratyaya. येषाम् उत्तरपदम् अस्ति तादृशेभ्यः शब्देभ्यः प्राग्दिव्यतीय अर्थेषु ण्य प्रत्ययः भवति. दिति प्लस ण्य प्रत्यय. This di will get dai. Plus na will get lopa by chutu. Ana will get lopa by chutu. Here yakara will remain. Oh, sorry. I don't know how this ikara will get lopa. We'll assume that ikara will get lopa. Daityaha. So finally, here the sutra says Nya Pratyaya will come. 4185. There is another sutra, Yasyeti cha. By that sutra, Ikara will get Lopa. When Ikara gets Lopa, it becomes Daitya. They have given the Prakriya here. Aditehe Apatyam. Aditya. We'll practice here. Ditehe Apatyam. What is it? What is the Shabda?
Daitya.
Daitya? Ditehe Apatyam?
Daityaha, right?
Daityaha. visarga should be there. Or daityaha. Aditehe apatyam.
Adityaha.
Prajapatyaha. What is the Vigraha Vakya?
Prajapati. Apatyam. Prajapati. Apatya. Prajapatya.
No. Somebody else?
प्रजापतेः आपत्यम्
Not apatyam, apatyam.
अपत्यम्
Prajapatehe apatyam. Shashti should come there. When we say son of Prajapati, of is there, na? That of is indicating which vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. That's why Prajapatehe apatyam. Prajapatyaha. Next, Gargyaha. Gargyaha.
गार्गस्य अपत्यम्
Anybody?
Would Gargi be feminine or masculine here?
It's masculine. Pullinga.
Okay. So Gargyasya apatyam or
No. Anybody?
Garge.
It's Akaranta only. Why Gargehe?
Garga. Okay.
गर्गस्य आपत्यं
Gargasya apatyam gargyah. Adya swara will not get vriddhi. It is not garga, garga. They have given shabda very clearly. Gargasya apatyam gargyah. Okay?
Clear.
Vatsa. Vatsyah. What is the Vigraha Vakya?
Vatsasya apatya.
Vatsasya apatyam vatsyah. So, how many pratyas we have seen so far? For apatyam.
अन् प्रत्यय ई प्रत्यय
What is this pratyaya?
Ditya.
This Ditya is not pratyaya. Which pratyaya we have used?
या प्रत्यय
Ya is after modification. What is the original pratyaya?
Nya.
Nya. Nya pratyaya. Here. Nya pratyaya. Now, if all these are for Pullinga. If Strilinga, then स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों से अपत्य अर्थ में अंत में ए विल कम. It may not be for all shabdas. It could be for some shabdas. Here also prathama swara will get vruddhi. Kunti ke here stribhyo dhak. By this sutra, dhak pratyaya will come. If it is strilinga shabda and apatya artha, then dhak pratyaya will come. Stribhyo dhak. This dhak will not remain as dhak. Like vinata becomes vainateya. Duck will be replaced by aya. Duck will be replaced by aya. By ayaneyiniyaha padhakachagam pratyayadinam. By this sutra, pratyasya adisthitasya pa dhakachagha iti etesham kramena ayan e in e adeshaha bhavati. Pa will be replaced by ayan, dha will be replaced by aya, kha will be replaced by in, cha will be replaced by iya. This we will know. Cha will be replaced by iya, that we know very well. Gha will be replaced by iya. This recently it came in one place. Gha will be replaced by iya. But this cha we saw many times. Now this dha pratyaya has come. Dha will be replaced by iya. Here we'll see vinatayaha apatyam vainateyaha. Actually, we don't need to see here. The prakriya, complete prakriya is here. 4:1:120. Vinata and dhak pratyaya. Dhak pratyaya comes by which sutra?
Stribhyo dhak.
Stribhyo dhak. Here it is given supodhatu pratipadikayoho. That is not the for dhak pratyaya. Dhak pratyaya comes by stribhyo dhak. Dhak will be replaced by aya. By which sutra?
Ayaneyiniya padhakachagam pratyayadinam.
This adi swara will get vruddhi by kiticha, by this sutra. We did not see that sutra, but it's okay. Vainata plus aya. Then this akara will get lopa by yasyeticha. Then vainateya. Vainateya form has come in this way. Vinatayaha apatyam vainateya. Vainateyaha. Kunti ke putra kaunteyaha. Here, what is the vigraha vakya?
Kuntyaha putra.
Kuntehe apatya kaunteyaha.
Not apatya, apatyam.
Hmm.
Both are correct. It goes like mati shabda. Kunti shabda goes like mati. Mati, shashti, vibhakti, both forms will be there. Matehe, matyaha, both forms will be there. Next, madreyau.
Will this be the same? Madrehe putraha madre madreyau.
Madrehe putraha.
Yeah. Or apatyam. Sorry.
Yeah, both can be there.
If we were
It's not madrehe.
मद्याः
Madriyaha.
माद्र्याः
Madriyaha. Nadyaha.
मद्याः माद्र्याः.
so here both won't be there, okay, because it's a dirgha E, like nadi.
Yes. Next, Radha ka putra. Radheyaha.
राधायाः पत्यं राधेयाः.
Why Radheyaha?
राधाया आपत्यां राधेयः.
Radhayaha apatyam. Radheyaha.
Did I spell anything wrong? Did I spell anything wrong?
First time, what did you say is Radhayaha apatyam Radheyaha. You said. When you say Radheyaha, it becomes plural. But Radheya is only one karna. Second time, what did you say? Radhaya apatyam. It's not Radhaya. If you say Radhaya, there is no shabda. Radhaya. So, vibhaktis should be very clear. Draupadi ke putra.
द्रौपद्याः अपत्यं
द्रौपदेयाः. गंगा का पुत्र.
गंगायाः अपत्यं गंगेयः.
See again.
गंगायाः अपत्यं गंगेयः.
Anybody?
गांगेयः.
गांगेय. Sorry, गांगेय.
Gangeya.
One question here, but we didn't like for Madri and Radha and Draupadi, we didn't do any change to the first part, right?
It's already Vriddhi.
That's why. Okay. So if Vriddhi is already there, then we don't need to.
It is already Vriddhi, then how can we do again Vriddhi?
Right. Okay, got it.
Next, Vinata ka putra.
विनतायाः अपत्यं वैनतेयः.
This Marcus, you can do. This meanings of these shabdas I have written in another tab, which is 10th tab. I did not make any name for that. So all are simple meanings. You can look at those. Tatra jataha, tatra bhavaha. These are the Tatra jataha is one sutra and Tatra bhavaha is another sutra. Tatra jataha means born there. Tatra bhavaha means being there. That kind of मीनिंग इज देयर. उत्पन्न होना या होना अर्थ में अन आदि प्रत्यय होता है. से अन आदि means un etc. pratyas will come in the meaning of like born or being kind of meaning. So if it is there, then un etc. pratyas will come. What are the etc. pratyas? We don't know. We'll just follow whatever given here niyamas. So if it is an pratyaya, then a will remain. Same way, prathama swara will get vriddhi. Srugne jataha, sraugnaha. Srugne jataha means born in Srugna Pradesha. Could be Pradesha. I am assuming Srugna is the Pradesha. Srugne jataha sraugnaha. Srugna nivasi. Mathura में उत्पन्न. Now you can try this.
मथुरायां जातः माथुरः.
Mathurayam jataha mathuraha. We have to use saptami, that's all. Whatever is the place, that we have to use saptami. Jataha will remain as jataha only. Okay. Kanya kubja mein utpanna. What is this?
कान्यकुब्जे जातः कान्यकुब्जः.
So now you must have understood that vibhaktis we should become familiar. Otherwise, we don't have any clue. Sindhu mein hone wala. What is this vigraha?
सिंधु
Your audio is not clear.
मधुरः सैन्धवः.
Can you repeat?
सिन्धौ जातः सैन्धवः.
No. Anybody? Anybody? See, if it is utpanna, which word we used?
जातः.
जातः.
Hone wala. Which word we have to use?
भव.
Bhavaha. Yes.
So will this be Sindhau Bhavah Saindhavah?
Yes. Sindhau bhavaha saindhavaha. Listen, salt or horse. It can be anything. Saindhavam anaya. That's it. Okay. This is one kind of this anpratyaya. Some shabdas, they will get ik. I did not get the sutras for this, which shabdas will get anpratyaya, which shabdas will get ik pratyaya. There could be some sutras. There could be some niyama. Only this kind of shabdas will get an. These kind of shabdas will get ik. But I don't know the niyamas and sutras. Somebody is saying something? Okay. Some shabdas will get at the end ika. Prathamaswara again vriddhi. Mase bhavah masikah. All these, if you notice, all these are kalavachaka shabdas. Kalavachaka shabdas are getting ika. We can remember that much for now. Shanmasikaha. What is the Vigraha Vakya?
Shanmase bhavah.
No.
Shan.
Shanmase bhavah.
Yes. Shanmase bhavaha shanmasikaha. Vruddhi comes in Samastapada, not in Vigraha Vakya. Varshikaha. Meaning of this Mase bhavaha masikaha means up to this meanings you have understood, right? That which is in Sindhu is called salt, and that which is in Mathura is called Mathura. Here, Mase Bhava, that which is, we don't need same, 1 month. Masikaha means 1 month is. Like if we say, how old are this baby? Masikaha. 1 month is. She's 1 month.
Could it also mean in some cases like Varshika, something that happens annually, something that happens monthly, Masikaha? Is that also possible?
Bhava means being. Hone wala can be used for past tense.
Hone wala means what happens.
Oh, it's past tense only, right?
No, not past tense. Something that occurs regularly, like something that happens every month. Let's say we do some puja every month, then that will be Masikaha. Is that's the meaning I understood, but I don't know
Okay.
for sure.
Okay. We'll take it as present only.
Okay.
For now, we'll see later. Mase bhavaha. If it is Varsha, we can say it happens in 1 year. It happens in 1 month. Like that, okay, we can say. Varshikaha. What is the meaning? What is the Vigraha Vakya for Varshikaha?
Varshe bhavah varshikah.
Next, Kalikaha.
Kale bhavah kalikaha.
Tatkalikaha.
Tatkale bhavah tatkalikaha.
Pratah kalinaha.
प्रातःकाले भवः प्रातःकालीनः.
Sayankalinaha.
सायङ्काले भवः सायङ्कालीनः.
Like this, shabdas can be there. अतः प्रयोग किया जा सकता है, पर व्याकरणानुसार शुद्ध नहीं है. Oh, these are not shuddha in Vyakarana, but these kind of shabdas are there in general usage. Sayankalina, Pratahkalina, for those shabdas, there is another sutra. We'll see. For Vyakarana purpose, if we want, This is the sutra. Sayan chiram prahne prage vyaye bhyashtu tyulau tucha. This is the sutra. Sayam chiram prahne prage. एतेभ्यः शब्देभ्यः तथा कालवाचिभ्यः अव्ययेभ्यः ट्यू ट्युलौ प्रत्ययौ तथा प्रत्ययस्य तुट् आगमः भवति. सायं chiram, all these shabdas will get tyu and tyulau pratyayas. When tyu tyulau pratyayas are there, then tut agama will come. Here sayam is getting tyu or tyul pratyaya. By yor and ako, by this sutra, tyu becomes ana. Then sayam, this tyul pratyaya is there, that's why in between tut agama has come. Then it becomes sayantana. Here only ta will remain, u and takara will get itsangna. Ana is there, ta plus ana, tana. Sayantana. Monuswara, anuswara se parasavarnaha. These sutras, you know, sandhi sutras. Sayantana, this is the phala. Sayankalina is the general usage. But if we are following Vyakarana, then we should say Sayantana, Chirantana. What are the another shabdas? Idanintana, Puratana, Adyatana. Adyatana means?
ఈ రోజు
Nowadays.
Adyatana means today.
Oh, today. Sorry.
Today. Huh?
Yes.
That's why Anadhyatana, Adyatana days are there na, for us. Na Adyatana iti Anadhyatana. Means not today. Puratanaha. Puratanaha?
ఓల్డ్
In olden days.
Olden days. Sayantana, Sayankalina. Chirantana. Chirantana is also same meaning, old days. Idanintanaha, nowadays. This is how at the end tana will come by this sutra. Sayan chiram prahne prage prahne prage vyayebhyashtu tyulau tucha. Tadadhite tadveda. 3 more sutras are there in this chapter. Okay, we'll see this 3 tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.